Good morning, everyone. So today we are going to start our part 2 of statistics, and the first chapter of this part is probability. So today we are going to start with the chapter probability. Very interesting chapter. Okay, now you already might be knowing something about probability. What is probability? What do we do in probability? Probability means what? Probability means chances of occurring an event, right? Yes. So we will learn about probability. There are so many terms in probability that we have to go through so that we can solve the sums further. Okay? Fine. So today we are going to learn about the different terms that will be included in this chapter. Now, probability. What is the probability? Probability means chances of occurring an event. If I say we are tossing a coin, when we toss a coin, what is the result? What is the probability that what will be the result? A coin has only two sides, that is a head and a tail. The chances will be either head, either tail. Okay, so probability is chances of occurring an event, right? So when we toss a coin, it can be either head, either tail. When we throw a dice, how many sides do we have in dice? 6 sides. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So whenever we throw a dice, the number can be either 1, either 2, either 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So for learning all this, we have to know various terms. Okay? So the first term that we are going to learn today is an event. Now, what is an event? Event is that thing. An event is elements that are been included. Okay? Before learning event, we have to know what is sample space. Sample space is denoted by capital U, and sample space is a set of all the possible outcomes of a random experiment. What is a sample space? Sample space, it is a set of all the possible outcomes of a random experiment. Now, in the case of throwing a dice, it was a random experiment. We have thrown the dice, right? What were the all possible outcomes? The outcomes can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this sample space, it is a set. Means you have to keep in the set form. This is a set, and we denote sample space by U. So it is a set of all the possible outcomes. When we say all the possible outcomes, in the case of dice, we have all the possible outcomes as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Is it clear? The first thing that you should know is how to find the sample space. What is sample space? It is a set. It is a set of what? Set means you have to put in the curly bracket, right? Set of what? All the possible outcomes. जो भी रिजल्ट आने वाले होंगे, एक रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट किया, उसके जो रिजल्ट आने वाले होंगे उसको हमें सेट में डाल देना है. Okay, there is a wheel. Okay, and we have to spin the wheel. The wheel is having the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, this is a wheel, lucky wheel. Okay, you have to spin the wheel. Okay, when you spin the wheel, the result can be either 0, the result can be either 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever. Any till 9 number, it can be the result. So means all the possible outcomes are what? All the possible outcomes are starting from 0, ending till 9. So what will be our U in this case? U is our sample space, and sample space will be starting from 0, 1, 2 till where? 9. Selecting one natural number from first 100 natural numbers. What will be my U? Selecting one number from 100, first 100 natural numbers. What will be my U? Starting from 1, 2 till 100. 1, 2, 3 till selecting a natural number from first 1000 numbers. What will be my U? U will start from 1, 2 and end where? 1000. The first thing that we have to know is the sample space. You have to first make the sample space and then other events and other sets will be made. So first thing that you have to know is how to make the sample space. And how we will make the sample space? Sample space is simple. It is a set of all the possible outcomes of a random experiment. जो experiment हम लोग करने वाले हैं उसके जो outcomes आने वाले हैं उसको एक set में डाल दो and that is our sample space, right? Now, once we know what is the sample space, we can find the various events that are going to occur, right? Now, let's start with first what is an event. What is an event? An event is what is already there in the sample space, right? एक event है जैसे मैंने बोला कि selection of number 2 from the number that we are throwing a dice. We are throwing a dice and I want the selection of number 2. तो जो number 2 आपको select करना है उसके लिए आपको पहले ढूंढना पड़ेगा U, right? And what is U? U, when we throw a dice, U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. What is my event A? My event A is getting the number 2, right? My event A is getting the number 2. So event is a set which is already there in the sample space. Means we have our event A and it is already there in my sample space. Yes, we will write it as A is a subset of U. What does it mean? A के जो भी एलिमेंट्स हैं वो ऑलरेडी हमारे सैंपल स्पेस में है, राइट? What is an event? वो इवेंट कुछ भी हो सकता है. If I tell you to find the multiple of my U is 1 to 100, you have to find A and A is finding multiple of 7. What you will do? What do you mean by multiple of 7? You will multiply 7. Keep on multiplying 7. In short, you will write a 7 table. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35 and you will go on writing till 100. You will not go for more than 100, right? And now tell me if you will write these answers. When you write this answer 7, 14, 21, 28, right? Is this element, the set is already in the U? Yes or no? Because U is what? 1 to 100 and when we are finding multiple of 7 from 1 to 100 means all the numbers which are coming in my event is already there in my sample space. Is it clear? This concept is very clear to you? Yes. Okay, fine. Now, event is clear to you? Now, when we throw a dice, we get the outcome 1 to 6, right? If I tell you I want the number 2 and I want the number 4 both together. I want 2 also, I want 4 also. Is it possible? No. It is not possible. It is not possible to get 2 numbers on the same dice together. Is it possible? If I say I want head also, I want tail also. Is it possible? No, it is not possible. And what is not possible? What is not possible? We called it as impossible event. हमने इवेंट पढ़ा. इवेंट क्या है? एक ऐसा है, इवेंट एक ऐसा सेट है जिसके जो एलिमेंट्स है वो ऑलरेडी हमारे सैंपल स्पेस में है, राइट? एक ऐसा इवेंट जो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है उसको हम बोलेंगे इम्पॉसिबल इवेंट, राइट? इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन? एक ऐसा इवेंट जो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है उसको बोलेंगे हम लोग इम्पॉसिबल इवेंट. तो इवेंट जो पॉसिबल है, जिसका अकरेंस पॉसिबल है, उसको हम लोग बोलेंगे certain event. Possibility of getting number 2 and 4 not together but 2 और 4 मिलेगा, डाइस जब थ्रो किया तब पॉसिबल है ना, 2 भी मिल सकता है, 4 भी मिल सकता है, राइट? तो वो ऐसी इवेंट है, सर्टेन इवेंट इज एन इवेंट जिसकी पॉसिबिलिटी है। इम्पॉसिबल इवेंट मीन्स जिसकी पॉसिबिलिटी ही नहीं है, जो अकर हो ही नहीं सकता। 2 and 4 cannot come together, head and tail cannot come together. When anything cannot come together, it clearly means that it is impossible. Is it clear? Fine. Now next, we already know how to make event, right? We already know what is sample space. We already know एक इवेंट भी हमने सीख लिया, ए बनाना भी सीख लिया हमने, व्हाट वी से इवेंट बनाना भी सीख लिया। लेट मी टेक द नंबर 1 2 3 till 50 and let me denote a as multiple of 5. वेरी सिंपल एग्जाम्पल, मल्टीपल ऑफ 5 का टेबल लिखना है, कहाँ तक? 50 तक। क्यों? क्योंकि बोला है कि हमारा u जो है वो 1 से 50 है, तो when you have to write the multiple of 5, the event A is multiple of 5 till 50. We will start from 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and इसके आगे जाना है? नहीं जाना है, because we have to write till 50 only. Now सैम्पल स्पेस बनाना आ गया, इवेंट बनाना आ गया, ठीक है? द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक दैट आई वांट टू टीच यू इज, द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री इवेंट। इवेंट तो बना दिया, बट कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री इवेंट। कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री इवेंट माने अगर मुझे ए का कॉम्प्लीमेंट ढूंढना है तो व्हाट आई हैव टू राइट इज ए, और ऊपर डैश, ए डैश, उसको हम लोग बोलेंगे ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट। What do we call it as? A complement, right? So complementary events are all the events, all the numbers which are A complement माने जो A में नहीं है वो, लेकिन U में तो है। समझ में आ रहा है? What is complementary event? Complementary event are the elements which are, if I am writing A complement, it clearly means that which is not there in A, but we have it in U. What does it mean? When we have to find A complement, you have to minus U minus A. A complement means A में जो नहीं है वो, माने all these numbers will not come. Okay, fine. Then what will come? 1 will come, 2 will come, 3 will come, 4 will come, 5 will come. No, why? We have it in A, और A complement माने A हमें नहीं चाहिए, and when we don't want A means you don't have to write the elements that are in A. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 लिखो क्या? नहीं, क्यों? वो A में ऑलरेडी है. So all those elements which are not there in A, these are A complement. Is it clear? What is A complement? A complement is the elements which are not there in A, but they are in U. So we learned first about sample space. When sample space is denoted by U. We made a event. कोई भी event, एक event बनाओ, 2 event बनाओ, 3 बनाओ, एक बना रहा तो A लिखो, B लिखो, C लिखो. We can write the names of the event and we can further solve it. एक event बनाया, we gave it as A. Now A complement. A complement with all those elements which are not there in A is A complement. Okay, fine. Then we'll learn about, after complementary event, what do we have? We have intersection. So intersecting event, we will learn about intersecting event. Now what is intersecting event? Intersecting event, for intersection at least we needs 2 sets, right? Now we have 2 sets. We have U, we have A and we have B. Okay, let's take a simple example of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A dice. Okay, we have 2, 3, 4 and here we have 1, 5, 6 and 2. Okay, we have set A, we have set B. Intersecting events are those elements which are there in A also and which are there in B also. Means ऐसे elements जो दोनों में common हो. What is intersecting events? वो दोनों में common हो. ठीक है? I'll teach you how to make a Venn diagram. We have a Venn diagram. It is make a rectangle shape. Write U. This U is my sample space. This is event A and this is event A, event B. Now we'll start writing the elements. We have in A we have 2, 3 and 4, but in B we have 2. This 2 and this 2 is common. We have in A also, we have in B also. So that 2 we will write in the middle. Then we have 3, we have 4, here we have 1, we have 5, we have 6 and we have 2, but we have written 2 in the middle. Can you see, ये जो circle है उसके अंदर ही लिखा ना 2, और ये भी जो circle खत्म हो रहा है उसके अंदर लिखा है 2, right? So this is the common part, right? This is the common part and 2 was common and that is why I have written 2 in the middle portion, right? Intersecting event, we denote intersecting event as A intersection B. This is a sign of intersection, okay? A intersection B, and the only one element was common in both A and B and that was 2. So A intersection B will be 2. Is it clear to everyone? Intersection means what? Common element in A and in B. Now, with the same example, I will teach you what is union event. Chalo, we have the same example and we will continue with union event. Intersecting जो common है. Union event are those elements which are there in A also, which are there in B also, and जो common है वो भी, लेकिन we have to write it only once. We don't have to repeat it. Okay, so union event, we donate union event as U. Mani, when we write A union B, elements will be, we have to write A also, we have to write B also, we have to write common also, but we don't have to repeat it. We'll start. We'll write 2. 2 इसमें भी है, फिर से लिखना है, नहीं लिखना है. First of all we have 1 also, तो 1, 2, then we have 3, then we have 4, we have 5 and we have 6. 2 इधर फिर से था, but we did not write it because in union what do? We write all the elements of A, all the elements of B, all the common elements also, but we don't repeat it. Is it clear to everyone? Union event, A भी चाहिए, B भी चाहिए, लेकिन रिपीट नहीं करना है. तो उसका वेन डायग्राम कैसा बनेगा? दिस इज U, this is element A and this is element B, this is A, this is B, right? We in A we have 2 was common, so 2 बीच में लिख लेते हैं. यहाँ पे रहेगा 3, 4, 1, 5, 6. ठीक है, मार्क कौन सा एरिया करना है वो इंपॉर्टेंट है. मार्क हमें A भी चाहिए, B भी चाहिए और कॉमन भी चाहिए. So we will mark whole this area. Why? Because we want A also, we want B also, we want the common area also, but we don't have to just repeat it. So 2 was in A also and in B also, but I did not repeat it and I have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it clear to everyone? What is intersecting event? What is union events? Is it clear? Yes. We'll continue in this in the next lecture. Okay, thank you so much.